If you drive through Ooty after sunset, you cannot miss out the building which is on top of the hill with vertical strings of lights all around. Yes, that is Benchmark Tea and Chocolate Factory, which is one of the popular attractions of Ooty which you cannot miss out when you visit Ooty. Come on, let's have a quick tour. When you enter the factory, first we can find a small chocolate manufacturing unit and its display of various handmade chocolates. Also, there is a display of methods or steps involved in preparation of the chocolates. Several flights of stairs will take you to the main floor where the tea manufacturing process happens, and we can see the tea manufacturing process through glass windows. If we climb up further, we will reach the top floor from where we can see the entire Ooty city, and also the top floor serves as an observation point for the tea manufacturing process. The tea leaves that are being withered on the top floor are fed into the rollers, and then they spread that on the fermentation trays, and the next process is drying and grading. The downstairs will lead to the drying and grading process, and there is also a miniature tea roller model, and in this floor they also offer few varieties of tea with milk and sugar. As in the small commercial institutions, the exit is always through gift shops. Benchmark has 3 full floors of merchandise where you can buy oil, spices, chocolates, tea, everything that Ooty offers. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you guys with the next video. Until then, take care, bye bye. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for regular updates. And also please do like and share this video. Thank you.